How do they edit Instagram photos? Find top editing accounts to follow in 2020. What is the foundation of a successful visual strategy for your IG? Yeah, it's new ideas and trends, and a fantastic looking feed that's made professionally and can take away the heart of a viewer just from a glance. Cheats, tips, and schemes of working on any type of photos in order to make them look Instagrammable. Visual aesthetics. You're noticing how aesthetic photos are flooding feeds of every popular account, aren't you? Fresh photo and video ideas. Follow a photo tutor who works in a style that is close to yours and inspire. Inspiration for posing, backgrounds, props, and lots more. How great engagement can be brought to your post just with the placement of the right object in the camera frame. IG's quintessential influencer is that one, whose page looks like the most trendy magazine covers all time. It is about a fresh-looking feed, up-to-date photo editing, colors, filters, composition, objects, and textures. Use a professional advanced Instagram search to find inspiring accounts in your industry. Go to the Ingrammer dashboard. Choose Instagram Advanced Search. Type the keyword of the accounts you're searching for. Tap Search. Now you get a bunch of cool Instagram profiles in your topic. Here are some top accounts we advise you to follow and inspire in order to learn how to make your feed look trendy. Filter like a pro with at VSCO Room. Do you want to get all the most popular and stylish presets for mobile photo editing apps? And live out the best, VSCO Girl, life. After following at VSCO Room you'll get ideas and presets for these apps, VSCO. Lightroom, PicsArt, InShot. Next level edits with at Edit Tutorials. This account is full of useful information about special and not obvious but crucial things like fonts, frames, collages and lots more. With this account, you can get hundreds of everyday secrets about how to take your edits to the next level. Insider ideas with official at PicsArt account. Sometimes it is better to get tutorials on the app right from the app creators. Okay, not every app creates amazing content to show how to use its service properly. But PicsArt is one that does. Find tips and ideas of edits here. Newest filters and amazing tutorials of changing backgrounds, adding effects and lots more.